right, good.
Leave it on, okay?
Your tray's on, so you're going to leave it on?
Justice, what happened?
Oh, you put it back on. Good for you. Now what? He turned it upside down before. He likes the words on the bottom. He likes to rub his finger on the words. Oh, good. Back in spot. Oh, back out.
You like to read the words dishwasher safe? Top rack only.
Oh, you might get it upside down. We'll see.
Oh, you're still touching the words. Sometimes he also chews on it. He puts it in his mouth. I don't think the baby's supposed to be doing that. Is he touching the words?
Yeah. It's bath time. You ready for your bath? We're going to splash in the bathtub probably.